Here we are with a Prochem Everest HP that we are about to ship out. Just want to make a quick video on it running. Some of the new items that we have is all the marine hoses are new, low pressure hoses. That chemical pump is brand new with a valve. Close the valve whenever you're going to do pressure washing. That 5CP pump is less than a year old from the last customer that we got the machine from. That's new. Three-way is new. Also, I don't know if you can see it from here, but the governor has recently been replaced. There's a few new high pressure hoses, more new marine hoses, new reservoir, new valve cover gasket. She's in great shape. And we have the fuel pump wires here. The black one's obviously negative, and then the other one is positive. Then for the waste shut off, there's a male and a female that will hook up to the male and female here. After you're done hooking it up, just make sure to put black tape, that way they don't come apart. And then all the marine hoses are self-explanatory. Blower goes right there, your waste there, and your two vacuums are right there. And those are the ones you see. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, show you how to use it a little bit.